If you have ever wondered why some lip glosses feel smooth, non-sticky, and long-lasting, then you are welcome to this channel. This is Jeffrey DIY. In case you're hearing my voice or seeing this channel for the first time, in this channel, we make and teach skincare products, household and cleaning products, cosmetic products. Okay, so please put your eye on the screen. I'll be listing the ingredients I use to achieve this. Or in this video, I will show you the ingredients I use to formulate this lip gloss and explain the role each of the ingredients plays in creating this perfect finish. Okay, now every ingredient has a purpose, from the gel base that give the gloss its texture, to the oils that nourish the lips, and the ingredients that adds that silky luxurious shine. So I'm going to break everything down for you. And the first ingredient is Vasagel, not Vaseline. For those that will come and ask me, should I use Vaseline? Please, you don't use petroleum jelly to make a premium and professional standard lip gloss. You use a base called Vasagel. So this Vasagel acts as the gel base. Okay, it is the base for the lip gloss because it thickens the formula. It gives it a smooth, glossy appearance. It improves the spreadability. It also provides a non-sticky, silky feel. The next ingredient I've added is my castor oil. Please make sure you are using USP or pharmaceutical or food grade castor oil or food grade oils. Okay, now castor oil gives this gloss a shine. It improves sleep, it helps to disperse color evenly, and it also moisturizes the lips. Now the next oil is my almond oil. Please use food grade almond oil or USP almond oil or cosmetics. Yeah, almond oil softens and nourishes the lip. It helps to keep them smooth, like you keep your lips smooth, and also moisturizes your lip. Now the next oil I'm going to use is coconut oil. Coconut oil helps to moisturize and condition the lips, and it contributes to the smooth texture. Okay, the next oil I'm going to use is Squalane. I love this oil so much. It's called olive squalane. Squalane is Squalane is a lightweight emollient that provides long-lasting hydration, and it improves glide and leaves the lips feeling soft without being greasy. So if you want to achieve that soft lip while using your lip gloss, you need to include this olive squalane in your lip gloss. The next ingredient is called Hydrogenated Polyisobutene. It's called HPIB. Okay, this is an excellent ingredient for lip gloss. You want to make a professional, quality lip gloss, you need this ingredient in your lip gloss. But what does it do? It provides a high shine without the stickiness of some oils. It acts as an emollient. It makes the lip feel soft and smooth, just like it has similar property with that olive squalane. It improves the glide, so the gloss spread easily. You saw when I was spreading my own on my lips, how it spread easily. It improves glide, so the gloss spreads easily. It reduces tackiness. You know what I mean by tackiness? By giving this your lip gloss a silky lightweight feel. It has so many functions and benefits for your lip. It also forms a protective barrier that helps reduce moisture loss from the lip. This is one of the main reasons I choose to use this, because it reduces moisture loss when you use this lip gloss. The lip gloss that you're going to use, it will stay on your lip for hours. Okay, except you lick it. Even if while you lick it, you will still see that there are people who don't still notice that you apply something on your lip. Okay, now the next ingredient I use is my fragrance. You can use any fragrance of your choice. You can use vanilla, but make sure that you're using a food grade fragrance. Okay, yeah, but here I used vanilla, and I also added vitamin E. Vitamin E function as an antioxidant to help protect the oils I've used here from oxidizing. Okay, and it also helps to condition the lips. We do not use preservative in this lip gloss, hence I'm using vitamin E. So that is it. After adding everything together, you just gently mix. Please don't mix vigorously to avoid air bubbles. So the container was small, so I had to transfer it into this particular bowl, and I fast forwarded this video. Okay, I'm not mixing it fast, I'm just mixing it slowly. So that's what you're going to do. After adding everything, this is what I get. So if you want to know how I achieve the colors I achieved, the peach, the pink, the hot pink, the peach, the nude, watch the next video after that I'm going to post after this. That is where I will teach you, I will show you how I added my colors and what each of the colors represents or means to me. The combination of all the ingredients creates a lip gloss that is glossy, moisturizing, lightweight, smooth to apply, and comfortable to wear. See the viscosity, the consistency I achieved. Okay, if you want to achieve a thicker viscosity, you wouldn't mind reducing the amount of coconut oil you use, okay, or like the liquid ingredient that you use. But this viscosity is perfect if you want to use this as a business. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please do well to share this video, leave a comment for me in the comment section, and remember, always be safe wherever you are. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.